Hello, good morning, student, and welcome to all of you in e-learning class. Student, I hope all of you appeared in the examination, second term examination, and I also hope that you will achieve very good marks in examination. So, student, now let us start our study in SST. You're in class 5. Lesson 17 has been completed. Today I am going to start lesson 18, Birth of the United Nations. In this lesson you have to know about the First World War, what was result of it, which international organization formed after First World War, about Second World War, and also which organization was established after Second World War. Principles of United Nations, human rights, and also achievement of United Nations organization. At first, all of you know, student, that First World War began or broke out in 1939 and lasted in 1914 and lasted in 1918. First World War broke out in 1914 and lasted in 1918. In this war, there was a huge destruction or loss of life and property. This led to the desire, this led to the thinking among the world for peace and security. So an organization was established, League of Nations, after First World War. The main aim of this organization was for world peace, and it was established in 1919. When it was established, 1919, and there were total 63 member countries of this nation. But this league was failed. What was the reason for that? Or what were the causes for that League of Nations was failed? There were two main causes for failure of League of Nations. First was the powerful countries like USA and Soviet Sangh were not the part of Russia were not the part of this League of Nations. And second causes for that, this organization created for the benefit of victorious country, not loses country, not defeated country, only for victorious countries. And its result was that Second World War broke out. Second World War broke out in 1939 and lasted in 1945. I have told all of you, remember, First World War started or began in 1914 and lasted in 1918, and Second World War 1939 and lasted in 1945. That means 6 years. After the Second World War, some countries like United States of America, United Kingdom, Russia felt that their should be an organization which is more powerful than League of Nations. That means they wanted to replace the League of Nations. And some countries like USA, UK, Soviet Union met in 1914 in Washington and drafted a charter for the new organization. On 24 October 1945, an organization was formed which name was United Nations Organization. When it was formed? 24 October 1945. Since then, every year 24 October is celebrated as United Nations Day. The main aim of this organization was to maintain world peace and security. And representatives of 50 countries continue for 33 days, met at San Francisco and framed a UN charter. This charter is a list of objectives of UNO or principles of UNO. So what were the main objectives of UNO, or which was called also principles of UNO? And the headquarters of UN is in New York, USA. Okay student, I hope all of you understood very well, and next topic I will teach you next day. Thank you.